What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Ramp Spotting. I'm checking out this old Cessna 310, so sit tight and I'll be right back. So this is an old Cessna 310, which actually doesn't look too derelict. I mean, the tires are in good shape. Everything looks pretty complete. This actually might still fly. Check out that old Cessna 310 gear. It's so strange how it just sticks out front like that. I've always thought the nose gear on these planes were so strange. Nice black gear well covers down there too. Pretty cool. Come around the back here. I believe it's a 67 Cessna 310. You got the nice baggage door there. And then the entry door. Now these steps, I believe, do fold up. Yep, okay. So when the gear retracts, the steps down here fold up into the fuselage. That's a storage compartment back here as well. Great big tip tanks. Come around the front here. Looks like it's got boots as well. Are those boots or is it just painted black? No, it's just painted black. Never mind. Pitot tube right up front. And then the combustion heater should be right there. I'm guessing that's the air intake for the heater, and that's the exhaust right down there. Pretty neat little thing. And that's the old Cessna 310 for you. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.